Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. I get it. I know. Don't worry. My next video is going to be a getting ready with me, which I'm really excited to film, and I'll kind of explain what's been going on. But if you can't wait for that video, you can always check out my Instagram. Go check out Bondbeautyful on Instagram and you can see everything that's been going on. I've been so busy because I moved into a new house. So that's all I'm going to say. But I love favorites videos, and so I thought that it would be appropriate and very much like me to do a current favorite video as my first video upon return. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm going to share my favorites that I've been using, that have been my die-true. I just can't seem to get away from favorites. Sorry if there are some repeats, but I hope you enjoy it. If you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Bondbeautyful. Make sure you subscribe. You hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos, because I am starting to upload again now that I'm kind of more settled into my little office space here. So make sure you subscribe and you hit the like if you like current favorites. Also, don't forget to share your favorites or products you want me to try out, videos you want me to do, how you've been doing. Just talk to me down in the comments. I love reading about what's going on, about you, we're friends here. This is a place where we can be friends and we can just enjoy makeup and enjoy life, and we can talk about pretty much anything, because I'm into pretty much anything you can think of. So yeah, let's just get started. So I have makeup favorites, of course. I have a few jewelry favorites, which and I also have some fragrances, because you guys know I've been really, this past year, I've really been getting into fragrances and perfumes. So I'm going to share those first because I have quite a bit, because I've been accumulating for a while. And so I wanted to share those first. First off, a affordable brand that you guys know I love, and every single perfume I've gotten from them have lasted a long time on my skin and have smelled very much like the luxury version of the perfume, is what I'm going to say. Dossier. I love Dossier. They are so good. They're very affordable. I'm talking about like 18 to 20 bucks, I think it is. Don't quote me on that, but super affordable for how much perfume you get. I love them. There's multiple of them that I love. I have here 3: Oriental Cedarwood, Oriental Oak Moss, and Gourmand White Flowers is my newest addition. And I'll put what exactly this one is, what the luxury version's name of this one is, if you get what I'm saying. So basically, these are affordable versions of luxury perfumes that you can buy that smell very much on par. So I recently got, I think it's, yeah, this one. I think it's Oriental Cedarwood or a different one, but I did get one of these that was supposed to smell like Alien, the perfume Alien, which I have right here. And I did buy the actual perfume because I loved it so much that I went and bought it, and it does smell exactly identically the same, but I just wanted to know. So they do smell very much like their luxury named perfumes. They're very, very good. So I absolutely love Dossier. I'll link them down below. Okay, so with that, guys, I found my signature scent. I'm sure all of you guys have like a scent that you really love, or maybe you're trying to find a signature scent that you just love so much that you want people to, like, when they smell it, they're like, oh, that's Bondbeautyful. Like, where is she? Like, I smell her, like that's her scent. So I found mine. Now, I still love a bunch of perfumes, but this one, Mugglers. Is it Mugglers or Muglers? I think it's Mugglers. I can't even pronounce it. I'm gonna have to learn how, because it's my signature perfume. This is Alien. This is the original Alien, which I've heard from several people that it's kind of a unique scent, and some people it meshes well and some people it doesn't. Where, guys, I think it's the Latina-ness. I think it's like the Latina skin, because it just meshes so well, and I am obsessed. I love it. Like I said, I got it in like one of these Dossier bottles, and I loved it so much that I have gotten the actual legit version. I paid a lot of money for this baby, and It smells so good. It smells sexy, but sophisticated, but classy. I can't even explain it. It just smells so freaking good. And I had to mention it because it's my signature scent from now on. It's my signature scent. Whenever I do my Get Ready With Me that I told you guys I'm going to do, I'm going to be trying out some Pacifica Beauty makeup, which I haven't really tried very often. But I have tried their skincare, and their fragrances, which they do very, very, very well. They have amazing skincare, which I don't have anything up here with me right now, but I've tried basically everything, and it's for drugstore. It is so freaking good, but also their fragrances. Guys, I'm a little extra, okay? These are their 2 new fragrances that I just got in the mail. The Neon Moon one. Yes, you can find Pacifica at Target. You can find their fragrances at Target, and they have some nice fragrances. Let me show you this bottle. First off, these little bottles are freaking so cute. Look at this. So freaking cute. This one is Neon Moon, has sandalwood, jasmine, smoky cardamom, which is nice. This one, though, is a spring beautiful scent. This one's called Sunrise Moon. It has peach, cardamom, and mandarin. So it's very like springy, summery, very like fruity and fun. Anyways, I like these scents. These scents are very nice to wear day to day, whatever. I specifically like these scents because they're light, but they smell good, but they're not like obnoxious. Like if you spray them, you're not going to get, if you're someone that doesn't like a lot of fragrance because you'll get dizzy or you'll get nauseous, these are good ones because they're very light. But I specifically like the Pacifica ones for nighttime, for before I go to bed. Now, I know it's very, very extra, but I like my blankets and my pillows to smell good. And I have been using these Pacifica perfumes to spray on me, on my PJs, on my neck, on my hair, so that when I go to sleep in the morning, everything smells so good, so fresh. And while I'm sleeping, it just smells so freaking good. Like if you don't do that, I suggest you try doing that because it's a whole nother experience. And these Pacifica ones are great to try for that. And at Target, you can pre-smell them. Like they have samples for you to smell first before you buy them. But I really love them. And if you see the Sunrise Moon one, you got to try it because it smells so freaking yummy and delicious, but not in like an obnoxious, like fruity way. Like it's the perfect lightness, just so good. Okay, moving on from fragrances, let's go on to makeup. Let's go on to makeup. We'll do jewelry another time because that's just gonna lead me down a road of like talking forever. So let's go on to makeup, okay? Let's talk lashes first. These lashes I have been wearing. There's only 2 lashes I've been wearing. They're these ones. These are the Pure and Raw Beauty Christie lashes. I don't know if you can still get these or not. If you can, I'll link them. These specific ones are the Can't Be Bothered, and that's what I'm wearing right now. They're super long and fluffy and beautiful. I personally really love the Pure Cosmetic lashes. They're some of my favorites. They're one of the first ones that I got into, and I felt like they're really easy, but yet very dramatic. They're very dramatic lashes, but they're just beautiful. So I've always loved Pure lashes. Very, very good. The Pure lashes on Bombshell are my absolute favorite. They are so good. And then recently I got these Alamar Cosmetic lashes. These ones are in Rebelde, which are very, very nice lashes. I don't use Alamar Cosmetics all that much. I just don't reach for it all that much. I'm not quite sure why, but their lashes are bomb. I have these ones and I have another pair somewhere. I don't remember where it went, but I tried 2 lashes and I was very, very pleased. They're very nice lashes, very fluffy, realistic looking, very beautiful. So I definitely recommend them. Talking about Alamar Cosmetics, with that, I tried their new highlighters. They're, what are these called? I can't read that. Sun Soaked High Shine Highlighter. This one's in La Costa. So they look like this. How could I not read that cursive? I don't know what's going on. It's late right now. So this one is La Costa, and this is my favorite one. I have this one, and I also have La Arena, which is more golden. I'll show you both of them. This one's definitely more like gold, like in the summer. This is one I'm gonna love a lot. But this one's kind of more like on the champagne-y side, on the white gold side, and it's actually what I have on very, very lightly today, just to give me a very soft glow, and I love it. These are really good. Alamar has some really good formulas, like their eyeshadows, their cheek products, they're just very creamy looking, like creamy feeling. They just are very pigmented and just go on lovely. And so this one has been my go-to highlight. I haven't used anything else. I don't have anything else here that I've really been using besides this one, because it's just been really, really good. So I've been really loving it. Okay. Let's talk about like a surprise, something that's like an old favorite that I pulled out for some reason. And I don't know why in the winter time, I'm in love with this. So this is the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. You guys, this is like, this is just my most used face palette out of everything that I have. I don't know why. It's probably because it's so beautiful, but I just love the colors so much. Specifically, this pink is the most loved blush in here. But anyways, the Sunny Honey bronzer. Okay, the Sunny Honey bronzer surprised me. I haven't used it for a while. In the summertime, it's actually a little bit too light for me, but I pulled it out just recently, and I'm loving it. It's perfect for my winter shades. So I've been rocking it. I've been wearing it to like contour and bronze all in one when I'm too lazy, and I have been loving it. It is just such a soft, beautiful color. Like the color itself, the formula is okay, but the color itself is so beautiful. If you have olive skin, if you're close to my skin shade, definitely try out. First off, try out this palette. It's beautiful, but that bronzer is just on another level. Gorgeous. It's just, I can't even explain it. It's like not orange. It's like has a little bit, I can't even explain it. It's just, it just looks so natural, which on my olive skin, it's hard to find bronzers that look natural. So I just really love that one. Okay. Next, let's talk about foundations that I have been using and abusing like nobody's business. First off is this one. Literally every single day, I have been using the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. So this one is in the color Toasted Coconut. It's the Fox Filter Skin Finish foundation. Oh my gosh, I'm almost done with it. Look at this. I'm almost done with it already. I'm going to have to repurchase. I never repurchase foundations, you guys. Never. Like, you should see my foundation drawer. I never repurchase foundations. So the fact that I'm almost done with this one and I want to repurchase is kind of a big deal. This literally gives me a filter on my skin. It just looks like it blends over my pores. It just looks so beautiful. I use a light amount and it just looks gorgeous. It doesn't look cakey. It's perfect for my dry skin, especially in the winter time right now. I've just been loving this, and the color itself, Toasted Coconut, very, very beautiful. So I definitely recommend it. This is probably by far my favorite stick foundation of all time, because it's so good. Another foundation though I have been using, and I do love it, and it's more affordable. It's the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. I actually just recently told my sister-in-law about this because she uses powder foundation and she wants something light that's beautiful. She has dry skin. I'm like, you need this. This gives you some coverage. It's very light feeling. It looks really nice on your skin, very natural, perfect for someone with dry skin. And I mean, it's ColourPop. It's pretty affordable. So I have the shade Medium 12W, which is my, right now, my winter shade. So I really love it. Today I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation, but if I'm not wearing this, I'm definitely wearing the ColourPop Tinted Moisturizer because it really is good. And don't let tinted moisturizer fool you. It has pretty like, you can build it up to medium coverage. So I think it has good coverage in my opinion. It's not going to be like an actual tinted moisturizer. I feel like it's more like a BB cream or something like that has a little more coverage than a tinted moisturizer. Anyways, okay, moving on. Besides that, this bronzer, I'm going to give this bronzer a shout out because I don't have much else to share, just like a few things, but this is the Physician Formula's Matte Minoe Butter Bronzer in Matte Sunkissed. This is what I've been using to contour, and again, the color is stunning. It's really beautiful. This is what I used to contour today, and I just really love it. I'm not a big fan of the Physician Formula bronzers. For some reason, they just don't work well on me, but this one is my favorite. It just looks, the color itself is just so good. I'm almost hitting pan on it, but and this one smells good. It's not like too much scent, too much smell, but this one's just a really nice bronzer, and I absolutely love it. This is what I've been contouring with for months and months and months and months. It's been months. It's been a long time. Okay. Last thing I want to share with you guys. Wait, there's two more things I want to share. I don't want to lose track of what I'm doing here. Okay. My lip situation, very dry. I got very dry lips. That whole situation going on. But every single morning I have been putting on this lip oil because it's just here. I don't know, but I've been loving it so much. So this is the TFB Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil, and I'm surprised at myself, but I'm loving this oil. I wanted to tell you guys about it because it feels oily, but not too oily, if you know what I mean. It just feels so nice and moisturizing, but it's not like I don't have to take it off before I get to my lips. Do you know what I mean? It really sinks into my lips, so it's not going to be like an oily mess as I'm doing my makeup and then I'm going to have to take it off before I put my lipstick on. You know what I mean? It really absorbs into the lips, and I'm impressed. I'm surprised. So I wanted to give it a mention because it deserved it, because it's been literally on my lips every single morning. So, all right, last thing. I've mentioned this before, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway over on my Instagram because I love this so much. My lashes, like my natural lashes, they're all right. They okay. I'm regrowing them. I'm regrowing them with the Grand Lash MD Lash Serum, which actually does work. In a month, you'll notice a difference. Anyways, I should have that at my favorites, but I don't. So anyways, I'm regrowing them. I found this mascara, and it's actually really good. And it's something that gives me volume and length, and it just makes my lashes look like falsies without even trying. I can't even explain it. The formula is on par. This is the Real Still Laboratory Mascara Volume. Instant Volumizing Mascara, and it says it's for sensitive eyes as well. So this is, Real Still is actually a skincare brand. It's a skincare brand, and I love their skincare products. They're one of the they have some skincare that I use literally every day, die hard. Their skincare is wonderful, you guys, and I'm a skincare snob. Like, I have to notice a difference to put it on my face. Like, I'm very, if you've been around, you know what I'm talking about. I'm very like, if it costs $100 but it works, I'm gonna buy that thing. Like, I'm very skincare snob, but this is a really good brand that has really great skincare products. But this mascara, this is probably my favorite mascara of all time. I'm going to say that right now. This is my favorite mascara of all time. I'm literally repurchasing it, and it's gonna get here soon. But this Real Still mascara is really good. I'm gonna have a giveaway coming up, you guys. So go follow me over on Instagram so you guys can be a part of it, and you can get a free mascara and you can try it out yourself. But I've really been loving it. I think it's wonderful. So I had to mention it because it really makes my eyelashes look like falsies. Like, they look thick, they look long, and they don't clump together. Like, they're just, I can't even explain it. It just looks really good. Now, this one is not waterproof, so it will, by the end of the night, like if you put it on your lower lashes, it will kind of transfer and you have to clean that up. But I just like to put it on my top lashes, and I think it's just a wonderful mascara. So I wanted to give that baby a shout out. But yeah, that's it. Those are all my current favorites that I felt were so wonderful that I had to share with you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you'll subscribe if you have subscribed. Comment down below and tell me a product that you think I should try out. I will be doing a Getting Ready With Me coming up very soon. But I missed you guys. I can't wait to talk to you guys more. So please comment down below. And yeah, that's it. I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.